Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use multi-folder in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in Google Sheets and I'm going to use multi-folder for this data. Okay, as you can see, I have added folder here to the first row and I'm going to start with this column, diameter column. And I'm going to start to filter. I'm going to filter by values. Wait, I'm going to clear it first. And for example, I'm going to choose the 25 diameter. Okay, just click on OK. All right, and then I'm going to apply filter as well to this column. For this column, I'm going to choose this value. Alright, and for this one, I'm going to leave it like that. And okay, as you can see, that two filters have been applied to this column. And that's how we can use multi-filter in Google Sheets. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use multi-filter in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.